Hello everyone, hope you guys are having a great time. So in this video, we'll be learning the proper way to reverse your car. So if you guys are just learning to drive, it will be a lot difficult task to reverse the car because the car will be moving in the opposite direction. So it will be a lot difficult to give the proper direction for your car. In this video, I'll be sharing some simple tips and tricks following which it will be a lot easier to reverse your car. So before we jump straight into the video, if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Here I'll be uploading driving tips and tricks and POV drivings. So without further ado, let's get into POV driving and learn in details. So guys, before we reverse our car, make sure that all the three rear view mirrors are correctly adjusted. Make sure that right, middle and the left rear view mirrors are correctly adjusted. And after that, let's put our car in reverse. So in my car, the reverse is on the right and back. It may vary upon the cars. Some cars have on the left and front. So depending on the car, put your car in reverse gear. And guys, some drivers have the habit of reversing like this, turning back and reversing. I don't prefer this one. I usually reverse my car by looking into the rear view mirrors only. So I think turning back is not that recommended way of reversing car. So guys, reverse gear is as powerful as first gear. So when you release the clutch slowly, the car will start to roll back. So I will show you. The car is in reverse gear, and if I release only the clutch, then you guys can see that the car will start to roll back. I am not giving gas, but still I recommend you guys to give little bit of gas so that if you have to reverse your car in slightly uphill, then you won't stall your car. So if you have to reverse your car in the left, then try to focus more on the left rear view mirrors, but that doesn't mean that only you focus on the left rear view mirror. You need to keep on watching the middle and the right rear view mirror as well, because you need to know the whole surrounding of the car. So when you are reversing your car in the left, you need to keep focus on the front right part as well, because when you are reversing your car in the left, the front right part will go on the right direction. So if you keep on continuously watching only on the left rear view mirror, then you may hit something that's located in the right front part of your car. So when you are reversing your car in the left, try to focus on the both center and right rear view mirror, as well as you need to focus on the right front portion of the car. So I will show you by reversing. So slowly release the clutch and gently give a gas, and the car will start to go back. So while reversing, if you want to move your car back on the left direction, then you need to rotate your steering in the left like this. And if you want your back of the car to move in the right direction, you will also rotate the steering in the right. Okay, so I will show you. So keep focusing on the left rear view mirror. We will try to reverse our car on the left. So I will especially main focus on the left rear view mirror, but I will be also watching the middle and the right rear view mirror, as well as the right front portion of the car. And the case is simply opposite. If you are turning your car in the right direction, you need to focus mainly on the right rear view mirror, but you need to keep on checking the middle and the left rear view mirror, as well as the left front part of the car. So here you guys can see that I'll be focusing mainly on the left rear view mirror, and slowly release the clutch, gently give a gas, and the car will start to roll back. So what happens if I turn my steering on the left side? Slowly release the clutch, and you guys can see that that portion of the car is going in the left direction. So if I want to start my car, what I'll do is I need to bring that part of the car in the right direction. So I will rotate the steering in the right direction and slowly release the clutch, and you guys can see that now the car is in straight position. So again, if you want to move your back portion of your car in the right direction, then you will rotate your steering also in the right direction. So guys, if I rotate my steering on the right and reverse the car back, then the back portion of the car will start to move in the right direction. So I will show you. So now I'll be focusing on the right rear view mirror, and as I rotate my car steering on the right side and slowly release the clutch, you guys can see that the car is slowly starting to move in the right direction. So guys, this is how you reverse the car. Again, I have rotated steering in the left, and now the car is in straight position. So I'll try to maintain the car in straight position. So slowly release the clutch and the car will reverse back in a straight way. You guys can see that the distance between the side of the road and the car is completely parallel. That means that our car is reversing in a straight way. So guys, from here I will try to completely turn car in the left direction. So I will show you. Now you guys can see the turning on the left rear view mirror. So what I'll do is I will try to reverse my car completely in the left direction, and as the road turns I will also be turning the steering wheel on the left direction so that our car back portion will move in the left direction. So slowly release the clutch. I will be mainly focusing on that left rear view mirror, but my eyes will also be on the middle rear view mirror and the right rear view mirror. Also I will be watching the front right portion of the car. So slowly release the clutch, gently give a gas. Now as the turning starts, I will also turn the steering wheel on the left direction slowly. Now the turning has started, so I rotated my steering wheel on the left. Slowly release the clutch. Keep your eyes on the middle and the right rear view mirror as well. And now you guys can see that the body of our car and the side of the road is completely in parallel. That means that our car is in straight position. So what we will do is that we will also straight the steering wheel. So we have turned the steering wheel in the left, so we'll rotate the steering wheel in the right, and now our car is moving straight back. And guys, the case is simply opposite if you have to reverse your car in the right direction. We'll be mainly focusing on the right rear view mirror, but we'll be also watching the middle rear view mirror as well as the left rear view mirror so that we don't hit on anything else. And we'll be also focusing on the left front portion of the car, because as we move our car back in the right direction, the left rear portion of the car will start to move in the left direction so that you don't hit something else on the left. So guys, this is how you reverse your car. Hope you guys learned something from this video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.